I've been
The main reason why I
accepting
don't
this
buy
because of
chains is
different
because
fact I am used to in it.
the main reason I don't buy chains in cities because of how big and ugly they are.
I mean, you couldn't get them made smaller. I have
I know.
a file that could what you call it,
Mr.
that has
Guy,
a ped, is a ped file that I could adjust it to fit how big you want it.
Mr. Guy,
So
Mr.
there's that. Anyway,
What can go
what are you
so?
watching?
All right. I
Yeah,
was
that's
told
go.
to contact you as to why you're not why Zimbo is not feeling well.
Hmm?
You should change your welcome sound to that. Yes, that's exactly what happened. Yeah.
This is
X
actually
nah
crazy.
fuck says nah RP.
Yeah, I'll do RP later. Wait, then I play right now? You know, some stream, I start stream late. I start realize at 10 o'clock already.
Hey no, hello, pull me out of this.
Oh, wow.
You know this is what we did.
Oh.
X nah
And
fuck
please give me
says we
lead
active
because I
MN.
don't know why I'm so slow.
No, why the room now work? Hey,
Alright.
take it. Why the
Come
room
out
now?
with me. I don't know why now. Ain't no way for reals.
Seriously, we not the game already to box set.
Your son. Oh, customs are gone.
I go play customs. Oh, my game. I don't know.
Interesting.
Something wrong with that.
Where's Kristan? Oh, senior. I don't know. It came on the first time it came in for sure. Trying to be my mind.
Just load up 5M on the
Let me-
crash. Yo,
Yeah, what do
DJ
you
Nazi.
expect? That's an
Respect.
extra game.
But one time I play 5M and I say Valorant did in the background. I said, oh shit, all this time there are 2 games me there run.
Yeah, literally. Hold on, let me double check CS sound to see when it's supposed to go off.
Active? Yeah, my fault, bro. Yeah, so make it soon.
Yes,
She think
yes,
she gonna join
yes,
some customs or
yes.
something soon.
Where? Around me?
No. What already? What else? Alright, start it, start it. Start now? Yo.
Yeah, it's supposed to work when you come in every time.
Why not start?
It's not on first.
Oh, that's not. Oh.
Hold on. Change this from doors.
The rose?
I'm changing it from doors.
Oh, I'm seeing here rose.
I
You
rose
see,
one here.
you see,
You're not recharging my rose.
What me that say now? Like, what the? Yo, we I say yo quads.
Come
It's
out, see ya, and come back in, then come out again.
me.
No, not you, not you. Your name Sia.
I think yeah, cost me. You see, she picked quads because she not rate me, guys.
No, you saw what just happened. What do you
She
mean?
not feel
You
that me
didn't
can
even know
carry.
the game ended.
What's that? I got carry either way. Yo,
You
me
didn't
hate
even
them up
know the
here.
game ended.
Five people
Yeah.
level up here.
About right. About right.
Jay, get in here.
All right.
I think it gets dark
up, brother?
orange
Yeah.
or red. Stress
And the
free.
man of a dog. So, Nick, you think I should be a G tier RP streamer?
I don't like to categorize myself to one game, but sure.
No,
You
so
wanna?
you know I can't do that either.
Exactly, so don't.
I'm gonna play too much games. I'm having a League of Legends, I'm all type of stuff. I can't be one game of free. Where's when the ADHD kick in? I hate that.
Yours is like a dark orange, so you're in the next tier. For sure.
I don't know if RP. My fault, guys. What kind of messages? I respect for you for that.
Yeah, because probably yours has been around longer than Sia.
Alright, so where you find oh, see, no, restream chat.
I don't know. I'm not the one.
Pick the location, y'all.
Type shit. Let's go, boys. Prison, let's go prison. My bad, prison. Let's go prison.
Probably hide him, go. Yeah, you hide him, no good at that. Yeah, when a vote is stream popular.
Okay, wait there. Oh, did it by yourself. Oh, what did they say, all go?
Yep.
Am I shoot from where is it? Oh, where did I love something? Where there on the base station.
For myself, revival. Damn it. Can you see the preview of the 12 months?
You a bitch.
Can you see the preview? Because I have it. Oh, okay. I didn't even know you guys could see the preview. That's crazy. Because I changed it like that. I made sure that after after a certain time, it turns to something different. So once you have that, that means you can hear like long, like baby, OG long. Yeah. Anyways. Hate him. Let's see.
Let me get
Oh no, no money. I'm not broke like.
what the hell you got? That's crazy.
Jesus.
Yo, bring that helicopter here, come. Oh, that's a sniper at this one. Oh, that was serious.
Perfect. I need to move past it. The intensity is getting up there. Oh. Thank God for that bunker strike. That bunker strike finished him.
Oh, you got a kill?
Yeah. Hi. What's
Let
up?
me
What's
know where
up?
grandma was.
What's up?
I load out there.
You tap that and you bring the food. I just
How are you, Cole?
North Carolina.
There's someone up to our
Oh.
right, Dorian.
Right, yeah, we'll get. I'm not here, so I'm
You're not hearing me? You're not hearing me?
No, I'm not here. I call out that one.
Oh, you want me to?
I know.
No, South Carolina. I think.
Are you hearing me now?
I'm not here, but you never did say nothing.
The beach is free for anybody to go to.
Yeah, I'm like 30 minutes from there.
Hear them on.
Well,
I'm with
You
Dad.
guys at? You guys?
yeah.
Another! There's another!
Oh,
Not prepared.
shit. No.
Yeah, bitch ass nigga.
Yeah, bitch ass nigga. What you talking about? Yeah, bitch ass nigga.
Don't peek me, bitch. I promise you.
That's demon.
Remember on Mondays I shouldn't be streaming anyway, you know?
Ooh.
I
What I
always saw
tell
the
you? What I
schedule.
tell you? What I tell you?
Hey, thank you.
Won't go there.
I didn't need to. It's the same schedule.
Oh, I must. Oh god. Oh god.
You got fried, bro.
Stress.
It's just edited. So what I'm actually
No.
gonna do. think I should change. Ooh. Jesus, y'all saw that?
Sure.
That's okay. Boy, murder. Mm. Bro, the thing that makes you
What?
what you call that?
Concussion grenade.
Mantle, I think it's called. Aim, don't say mount. I don't even have it enabled. What do you call that? I don't know what you call that. I don't even usually have it enabled. I'm super low.
Alright.
Okay. Oh god, not this. Every time I press that shit by accident. $5 months and 1 day. Wait, how much does yours say? Let me see. What's the duration for yours then? Oh.
You know, so there's a TTS for all chats.
There's people in prison, people in prison, people in prison.
That guy don't want buy back.
So.
You don't know which one to shoot at.
It's camping.
I mean,
Fuck, they got me. Damn.
oh my god.
We can come on one,
thought he was that
one love RP
bad.
with me now.
I'm not like what you call that verified in that city.
Oh.
I saw the application and
No, it's
didn't
34
bother
questions.
to do it.
Yo, no, the first
Yeah.
time, I just become me, I'm a original play, but I really like how them actually role play though. You know, Jamaicans now go through 34 question. There's a few.
34 questions.
Because what the thing, it forces you to read the rules, and that's why like it would ask you, what does 6.5 explain 6.5 or explain 3.4? Like that's like 10 questions. So them just wanna know, say I don't know how to rule them.
I done school long time, you know.
Yeah. They're funny.
Can't manage. Watch him finally pull up on the little one game. It's my exercise now.
Now come off.
No, not that.
I don't know why I'm feel like me I lag a while ago. It's laggy for some reason. I'm not lagging, bro.
There. Kristan, let's
What's up?
win this one, please. Although I have a 90 latency.
I mean, that way feel create a duo, but I guess quantities.
Yeah, duo is not for us.
What do you mean? I want not even try it.
We did. You died. You didn't even realize
Yo,
you
tú,
were
güey.
dead.
That was a quad.
El modo de control, güey.
We just played a quad. You forget?
What video? Hey, Shaq. I was AFK and you still didn't kill me.
Let me know. Oh, me miss all of that. Oh, me miss
I
all
don't
of that,
know.
bro. Need the controller,
Like
bro.
I said, follow this next page because this page is basically gold.
Where more sensitivity?
Oh no.
Where more sensitivity?
I don't know.
You have deep air?
I'm sure. Oh yeah, but I haven't checked it. It's probably default.
Yeah, what's up?
My mouse can change all of that. But that's a new page, guys.
Everybody will drop over this one. No, me drop with you. I'm gonna keep track of your career of one life by yourself.
Hay gente arriba, ¿eh?
No.
Puta.
That gun was the worst gun to first pick up. Watch him put on Bob. There's 4 pages of R3.
Oye, güey, ¿sabes
3
a quién le
pages,
dice?
actually. 3 pages.
A ver, todo eso, ¿no?
There's no way all of them bullets they miss, bro. All of them bullets they miss, I'm at aim though.
At this point, Brit say, 12 page, me got you. I'm just existing. But trying my best to keep this one because I like this one.
Chef Boy Demetrius says RP time.
Rough run on path. I had a plan for this page and I felt like I achieved the plan for this to be like my gaming page and the next page be my regular page. And TikTok just started messing around. Hi, how are you? That's a solid death.
I don't see my damn my nigga.
Oh boy. Alright, let me try use it for once. How do I use it? I won't. One time I tried to use a stupid same thing. It doesn't
Uy,
even
uy, uy.
work.
Ayun.
Stupid. I accidentally click it again and it never even worked.
Mickey bigger för cash.
Next friend. And next friend of that.
Sure. Where are you? I'm right here. Oh. I only have $500 though. Honestly, the OGs will always be the OGs. You can never change that. You'll never be able to change that fact. The persons who have been on the journey, stay on the journey, and never left the journey will always be the OGs.
Cayó del barco.
That's just the facts. Like the other day, Jam came in.
Money, Mickey, money. Go to him.
En la popa.
Guarda, ay, están arriba, Juan.
What?
Acá hay otro más, weón.
I wouldn't do that because personally, I feel like that's another reason why TikTok be shadowing
La madre.
so heavily. Because that's weird. Shadow me for me to pay. It's crazy. And they're just gonna put bots in here. They're just gonna put bots in here. To be very honest. I feel like they're just gonna put bots in here. What I could do is go live on my next page. But like you guys say, it's weird to actually switch to a whole different page when you already have like a history here. I'm really trying.
Alguien que le den la paz al niño, por favor, porque se cree mucho. Ay, mierda, tiraron con el sniper, perdón.
Oh, no, oye. Se teletransporta. No. Ese personaje.
That's a scam.
So this is one guy, as soon as I start shooting him, ball team Spanish friend them, and the whole of them just come out of nowhere. Man say, hello, Lord, hello, and then the whole of them just come.
Nah, that's crazy.
Listo que se guerrean, ahí
And just a
están.
Oh,
run
see
from
that I get dead.
Yeah.
Acá abajo.
Está tocado, güey.
There's so much time we got here for the one load out.
I want them to fly over there. I'll go over this. I'm gonna camp on the roof, the prison roof. I'll go for the next loadout. Another one here, tower.
Yeah.
Your man a sniper from me already now.
So I was so tired of dying. Project. I want my wife. I thought my dog was still across my life. Hey, Enid.
Where them I shoot you from? Oh.
Not the swerve. You are now one of my elite employees. Thank you, babe girl. how clear you want the live to show. That's new.
We can use some have extra.
No, Mickey, don't go in the house, right? Don't go in the house, right? Do
I'm
not enter that
already
house.
in. I'm already in there.
So we can go run to the danger.
I was already in there. That's crazy. When I discover things I mean I even know about.
So loadout. Did and no loadout not there. How can I glitch that?
Yeah, that's been happening actually.
Big game like Call of Duty. They buy a shop there.
I don't
Money
think
from the
it's
buy.
valid.
Money from the buy upstairs and fire sale, so I can get load out again if now, you know. I think I saved them
Oh yeah.
all together.
How much money I have?
That my money. The lot of like fire sale don't stay. But I'm
Yeah.
supposed to have enough and get loaded. But
Right,
I can preserve. Yeah, and then there's a loaded one and I can not load the UAV, sorry.
Yeah, I did. I switched between my cameras to see how this one feels here. Because yesterday, I didn't like how close my next camera was to my face on the purple app. So I just changed my cameras.
Why you call it the purple app?
As TikTok and the purple app isn't friends.
Oh,
They shadow you for,
seen that?
yeah.
Nice. I love to be shadowed. That shit is all up in my bio.
Interesting. All these things. And you blow your background. Yeah, you like it? I
Taps
blurred
says,
it.
hey, off to school writing tests. Wish him luck.
Alright, bro, good luck on your exam. Or test.
Yeah, that's one thing I don't miss. School.
Really? High school days was the best. Best
Not
time!
Says
talking about high
thanks.
school.
God, all of them their grandmas.
So basically, you can adjust my stream on TikTok. Which is right, which is right. Content is very important for you right now. You should be focusing heavily on posting your content.
Okay, one again. Third guy. Third guy's who's in there?
He ain't got no sniper glint or nothing.
Interesting. In here, in here. They're all in one room. They're all in the room, Keiko. They're camping, bro.
I thought, yo, them camping moves, man. You want me to have a grenade with that shit up there?
Look at them in the room. Just look at them in the room. Look at them in the room, bro.
Yo, I was ever see 3 man in our bathroom.
Them I do a diddy party. Hopefully what's not too ambitious.
Come on.
I think they probably ate that message you probably sent before.
Yeah, the dude's got a good shot.
Cayó uno, güey. Se tiró uno.
I'm camping in the house. those.
Yeah, I'm done peeking that.
Oh, that's crazy. So you can adjust my stream, technically.
Don't always.
Say you are seeing my stream. They've
No
been
mames,
doing a
me quedé sin
lot, but also US has been doing a lot too. So fingers crossed they can come to some mutual agreement. How much are you at right now? Yeah, they did. Oh, you need to be posting then. You only have a month.
They were right in the
Technically.
house of them are camping out the box.
They're reviving.
It's crazy. One whole squad just survivor.
Yeah, they just brought back their entire squad.
No, mames, puta asquerosa.
It was just you against them. It's okay.
So the money,
I really need to get back on my YouTube grind.
Yeah, too much, bro.
What news? Avenue is wrong.
My game crashed, so Mickey. That's good.
Oh, your game crash?
Crash, yeah. Crash is game. Come on the other side, all them have loadout right in front of me, and there's no loadout.
Are you coming back? Okay.
I'm there up on Discord.
Oh, I was going to disable it because that option there is just allowing. Yeah, but I think it's valid based on the fact that he's saying basically they're not making any money from TikTok. And that has been the case from before. So he's just executing on whatever they mandate. But I think if they come to an agreement to get some percentage, yeah, I think TikTok will be around, just not in the US. But I'm sure US citizens will find a way. I think if they come to some agreement for them to at least get a percentage from the stupid earnings.
The photo roleplay time.
I can sign up for the TikTok shop. Interesting. Yeah. I don't remember. Hey, Wagwan, Medea. Exactly. So with such a risk, I'm sure TikTok if I 13. Gracias. Why did this not work? Why did it not work?
So I'm gonna turn on to something there. Oh.
Invite.
I used to start the stream one last time, bro. I hate this, bro. If I don't do this, I'll get in trouble. I have to set it to 18 plus.
What are you getting in trouble for?
DRP.
Now, I was saying with so many users, I think they should actually come to an agreement. It's a loss, technically. So it's a loss. Are you added to my profile? Are we friends on here?
Let me find the restream overlay chat now.
Why not allow me? And where is schizophrenic killing all of this? Yeah, join, cause I don't remember. We haven't played in a while. Open the door. Yeah, it is. Okay. Not my game crashing. My game crashed. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. For a man. Oh yeah, so. Pretty mommy. Yeah, so. Hold on.
Baby, you
I
ever kick the bucket up and that so. It crashed it down.
Yeah.
Tell ya. Oh, come on, we can't bother. Much bugs.
Why are you saying too much bugs when you just want to go play RP?
Stop it. That's not why. But it's not why. She said, I just want to play RE. Come on, you know I'm not like that. Psh. I'm
No, not
that.
like
I'm
that.
not like that type shit.
Not like that.
You know what I mean? I'm not like that.
I wouldn't be surprised if you actually just quit the game.
What?
Yeah, for real.
Quit what game?
Quit.
Like quit playing the game?
Yeah, as in you ended the game to not play it.
Oh no, that's not. I did
I said I wouldn't be surprised.
Why would I do that? I'm not a bad person.
Shorty. That's on my game crashed. I'm loading back up. My game crashed.
I don't know. I just feel like imagine your controller people them develop with aim properly. You know, there's a settings that allows them, like if they miss, it fixes it. Like it's not even, it's a next setting in the auto aim. It name is like a stronger setting.
Bye.
Like if
What's
if
a
them
lie?
shoot at your shoulder, like up right above your shoulder, it'll go just fix it and get and make it a headshot. I'm like, wow, this is very fair. How is this even like, you know what I mean? How is it even fair?
Oh, thanks for the follow, Dead Zone. Not you just joining the team. Welcome, 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 welcome.
Millers need funds.
Put this here.
You know the weirdest feelings when you use controller and then go back to mouse is that man does feel like I don't know.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
Feel like let me feel like I can't move my hand no more. Let me feel dumb.
You feel dumb.
No, like useless. I feel like I can't move my hand properly how I want it to move.
Oh. Why am I here? Is it tomorrow? I hope you saw the notifications they posted about what's happening. Okay, lovely.
Millers need funds.
Let me join him. Hello. Hello. Is he even here? Go check main chat. May I hear you? Yeah. I saw. I saw when you joined. Did I mute get a free kill? Oh yeah, I muted get a free kill. Wow. Hi, get a free kill.
Drinky, why the background blue?
Why the background blue? I desire. I know yeah, come on.
On the restream, so
Well, COVID, they invite COVID. I not seen her on. Well, she's online, but I not seen her like actively playing a game. Probably she's just in the thing, in the game. You know, good at it. Oh, there she is.
the Johnny room?
As me, I invite her.
I invited her 10 times last night.
Hi. Where they are gonna run some. So get a free. His game just turn off. It overheat.
You see how much things
Nah,
are going?
he just came in the chat and said his game overheat.
See, that's how I'm come off.
Let's gather around one day to max out a battle pass.
Yeah, must be sick. You have to go play every
No, get a
if I
free
make
kill
sure
just battle
you
play.
have XP boost.
And I think if I be wicked too, I just bring him to the game. See? See there? He gave like up completely. Ah, Jesus.
Now what me understand, oh my something blue.
Yeah, it's him said overheat a while ago. He might turn it back on now though.
So you can say oh you make your background clear.
How do I make what?
The chat. The chat box.
How do what?
Chat box, the background. Oh you make it clear. My own is blue.
Mine's blue too.
Oh, it's blue for it? So it does
Which chat box you talking about?
restream.
Oh, mine's blue. You pop it out? Like you do a pop out? I just wedged mine into OBS.
Yeah, thought what
Yeah, he said he's turning it back on.
Oh, I'm gonna find out though for me. I just turn on the chat background. Okay.
Okay.
That's easy.
Think
Uh,
of
this
think of 4. Jesus. Yeah. Literally. Yeah, try to get this way. You know you're wicked to yourself. Jesus. The attachment they do a whole heap of nothing. Let me do under barrel. Oh, it's a PS4 issue. It's a regular thing for Uno.
PS4? Yeah, man. PS4 will blow up. This is somebody who own blow up already. The brave man. Somebody PS4 blow up on Twitter, man. Saying,
Oh. Oh.
and things are going.
Yeah, that's embarrassing actually. For your PS5 to be behaving like a PS4.
Have a fake on him, boy. I never yet
Jesus!
see that happen yet. Hold on, I can't find the bicycle. I'm gonna go up on duty. Oh, then send a bicycle in there.
One attachment will increase like recoil handling and recoil control.
Law and order criminal victim.
Okay. I feel like that's a good one. What is this recoil?
My dog don't know why.
Get a free kill say. What increases? Yeah, more some way help with my recoil. For me? Let me adjust it. Okay, is that better? Okay. Just put my mic here. Try this. Try this. Suck your mother. This is still a bit. Bro, you saw the one you're steady? Let me exit and look on this. Bore. But I think all of them here have different attachment. Let me look on this. And that. I put on a muscle. Actually, all of this lock. No, sir. I just broke, so. But that affects my handling. Better put on the one there. Let's see this. Oh, this increases my accuracy a lot. I'm gonna try this. Okay. What's it? This a me a hold it steady, you know? This a me a hold it on one sitting.
Yeah.
There he is.
LOL.
Let's pray blessings on his PlayStation.
Please buckle your
Ready, bro?
seatbelts and take your key fob.
Sasha one.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
Yeah, man.
Could you pick resurgence, please, so I can look back at my gun? I don't know why.
You're really active.
Why me never invite him to the party?
125
Oh, comments? We're not the comments this week. We are do likes.
Yeah.
And for likes, we're at 33,000 out of 42,000. Yeah. But get a free kill again. Okay, there you go. Now I can look at my weapon.
No, you alert them in a dispatch.
Wait, sir?
You have to turn on your alert them in a dispatch.
Jack. Yeah, I think this is a winning team.
So you can see how we respond.
Oh, the first one, Jack Slash. Let's try area. Alright, take off that. Yeah, I like it. I like that one actually, surprisingly. I like an optic that shows me the body, because sometimes I can't see them. They blend in so well with the wall or whatever. So I like to change my optic to something like that. But my next gun is okay. It doesn't have that optic.
So you can flex
Okay.
G feet
And
set
that
to
means
your point. I already know.
She might kill me.
Press G for the set the weapon.
The waypoint.
I'm see it already there.
Alright, so you know it's a shooting time.
Yeah, I'm even get no armor, but I could need.
Don't worry yourself, man. Let's take cover.
Okay. Sit down. Yeah. Yeah, mic is okay. I don't know what you're talking about. No, your mic is good. The toxicity begins.
I have to take time, man, because they want to shoot off of you and shoot up me, man.
Wait, you're not man enough? You don't have enough balls? Everybody get beaten. Boop, 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 boop. If I send it to your emails, you're gonna see it now. Yeah, I should be able to see it. The man them grimy. The man jump off of the hill. Wow. The man hide behind the crates. The man hide behind the crates. The man hide behind the crates and take me out. It's like, what? You know what? You know what
And
we
them
just
lift up.
realized? We're gonna play one more game with OG and then add back Dead Zone. Because I mean, I Dead Zone did not play it. Guy bed is crazy. I wonder if he's still online. No, no. Nah, it's Nikki. Nikki. What is that text on for?
Ready to check.
125.
It's so cute.
So 102 going 10-8. Streets are gone.
Bro, I go back in the city
That's
now.
so
Shoot,
cute.
you don't
Bro,
know.
pink setups are just so cute. I like pink and white setups, pink
Let
and
them
black
flee when
setups,
we reach.
and purple and black setups.
Forward,
You're the
My
point
aim
GPS
for
when
my
I skip
setup
on the
was
GPS.
pink and black. But then my fucking case is white. Because initially I wanted pink and white setup. And then, whereas the white thing's
Yeah,
expensive.
man, kept on GPS.
White thing's very
We see you on the
expensive.
GPS.
I'm gonna say, no, I'm not do that again. Nah, me nah do that. Cutie don't depend that. Me not like this. Nikki, can't you see? Yeah, mic fine right now.
I shoot up there that one.
Yeah.
Enough for them, but let them move further.
I think I think they're probably there at the paintball shooting place.
Oh.
We always land at the
Probably at the
toxic
paintball
area.
shooting. You know when them got the paintball, them have different locations where to send them. So probably that. We share it. You're on the highway. All back in the time. Going to paintball place. Do what going on? A paintball arena.
No, I was finishing one.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take.
I almost have load of money, so remember to drop your money shortly.
What is the guy reaching there too?
Not system notification. System
Yeah,
notification. Go
come
and
my PM
vote your
arena.
citizens.
Hold on, let me check if me sign in.
If you sign in,
Go on about your
you sign in
business.
yourself.
System notification. We know what you're coming here to do.
And how I
Huh?
29K?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We have money, you know. We did have
That was the
load out
chambers?
money, you know.
Yeah, man.
And
Yeah.
we broke
Sorry, yeah, hear me?
now.
Oh, let me hear it now.
Get you.
The chambers in the station, so wait for it.
You know, sir, some arm and
Somebody
me try
finished
get
him.
couple of some real life
Yeah, that
guns,
is it.
You
Don't
set
die,
a fire and
guys.
I go shots fire without brave.
Yeah,
Not
man.
the, not
Did,
the
you
you
know,
monkey.
serve and protect sometime when I
Frank.
get the chance, you know.
Why is it
No,
not
you have to
Frank?
save and protect your life first before you do this, you know. If you're dead, nobody now they will protect them, you understand?
Yeah, but
I should,
intense.
man, I should be
As
coming
safety
about.
first.
Let me pick up the wrong bag, man.
Go for wrong bag.
Yeah. Damn, man, pick up the wrong one. Alright,
Like, you know, and go home to your family.
Why? Yeah, street stay, you know, this is my family.
I'm currently on the road to the PM ball arena. Down by the TG side.
Lovely. Hey.
What's that
Locked
TGs?
together. We have $14,000. Can we get some more money, please?
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
Yeah? Okay. I'm out $6,000 now. Oh, so my load out here, nice. Them broke pockets. We literally said that because we never did a drop on the money. What kind of gift you would budget there? It's true, it's true. We've been asking for your money. Crazy. L teammate, man. Hey, top man, what's up? Are you guys going over to this place? Oh, I have UAV. No, I have money. Sorry. Oh, see the guy here, see the guy here, see the guy there. No, I was trying to drop my mortar strike. Yeah, don't die, guys. Don't die. Okay, 13B. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
This sassy man got me.
Kill the siren, kill the siren.
What information do you need? I'll message it to you. I sent you a message on here, but you didn't respond. Oh, he called me? On what number? His regular number or a different one?
Box outside. Keep on looking. Parked out.
Don't touch my pink guns. They're very pink and obvious. You pick up my
Are you guys on the
pink
location?
guns!
Where you guys at?
Get the freaking get God! Thank you.
Shots fired,
I
shots fired,
literally
shots
said,
fired.
don't pick up my pink
Yeah.
gun. Seize, get a free kill coming from my pink gun.
One out of the store, one out of the store.
Yeah, I'm gonna try
Go to the car, go to the car, come on.
It's the same guy. Don't die, guys. Don't die.
Me try to stay on the car. You
It's the same
look for this
kid.
spring next brother we shoot off.
Yes, everything's good with me and Cliffy. I just don't. Cliffy don't message me, so
Bro, you know see him?
Cliffy don't message me.
Yo, we have to
Yeah,
rush him.
be careful.
Yeah, come on.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
Bro, what kind of... Bro...
Hello, WBD. You're very late, WBD. What's wrong with you today, WBD? Are you sick?
Currently in the New Kingston area. I read the speed.
I don't know.
Tell man, park the vehicle, bro. I go shoot. Boy.
Them boy are dead in the dark.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Are you guys good over there?
See,
Up
I
that
messaged
door.
you here and you didn't respond.
Any of you guys up? Me nah you up on the radar.
Him the on the prison roof. Prison roof.
Bomba! Yo, we get a rifle now. Rifle, bro. Rifle, bro.
Nothing else there upon him, can't get nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, dog, I make a get a gun, man. Bomba! Yo, the boy have all the AP pistol on him.
No?
When I'm broke. Kobe don't broke.
I shit, no bomb,
No,
dog.
not kill him, dog. Not kill him, not kill him.
Who this?
And it's just very
Why
broke.
Good, that boy a good you, man.
Let him for
Boy a
dead.
good dog. Boy a good you, man. Hold on there.
I'm gonna shop my mouth with my $400.
Yo, Timmy gun, Timmy drive gun. Them run on Timmy, you know.
Yo, the man, that man.
With the
Need a
same
little-
place. Same place, same place.
That's a brown man.
Same place. Yeah, one of them there, one of them there, one of them
Yeah,
there.
because I have no good guns.
Yeah, we'll go up on the top of this.
Yeah, prison is definitely. No, that ain't even. Yeah, that wasn't my gun. I- Oh my gosh. I told him we rotating him next game because he mean. And I was playing team wipe, nice. Is that a loadout? No. Damn. When I land on the roof. No, me I look for see him. Oh. That me I say. Jumping at the hole is crazy. Oh wow, he's in the water. He's in the water. He went through the hole. He went to the hole and came back right under me. You got this. A 6-man I you, so. Hey, Team Rich. Team Rich. Team Rich. You wanna know what's... You wanna know what? You wanna know something? I was gonna play with this one. Cause since he's so rich. See if this one is online. Since it's so rich. Okay, there he is. Dead Zone. Are you still here? Okay. Oh, alright. So you coming on now? Let me know. Alright, good. Alright, I'm gonna change this to optical here. Dead Zone, what's your optical? The one that shows the gray out. I use a thermal. But what do you use? Let me save this one. Alright. Save. Save this just in case. I hope the one you go good, guys. Boy. Stretch and give God the glory. Nikki breast them stiff. But Nikki too obvious right now. I can't manage Nikki. Nikki has stressed me out. What's our number one problem with Nikki?
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
Right,
Please buckle your
belt
seatbelts and take your
helps
key
me
fob.
with long range.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
Alright, Dead Zone, reach back, you know.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
I want something that highlights, but it's close range, just the same. This one is okay, but it's shaky to me. Or it at least looks shaky. They're gonna do this steady. This steady up front. They're gonna steady.
Chef, nah, oh, you made my youth. Tell you to park up the camera could come up, bro. Man, yo, you should have just parked the
I
camera in the
love that
parking lot.
build. I'm still perfecting this one. It jumped too much.
Okay, I can take cover on them thing.
Notification. Nobody come in here and send no notification because you're just gonna get blocked. A black for your living. I am mean.
And I'm getting my gun, bro. M4.
Literally.
Darling, got my phone again. Oh my god, can't bother with that
You
shit.
got
Bro.
robbed?
Yeah, now I'm gonna get shot. And then rob me.
Oh, go on.
Oh, go on, you know what I'm saying? Oh, go on.
Yeah.
I try to remember.
Pull up on the shop where we see him and shot start fire.
Jesus.
I'm tell him say, shut off fire, I go for the car, I want to take care of them. I just get caught, panic button and say, man down, officer down. I say, oh, the blows and screw. Man then throw down the tone and down when
I don't like how shaky this is.
Jesus Christ, that's why I can't
And it
get my
reloads
phone and
slower
everything there.
now.
Them take away gun and them something.
Yeah, let more have open have. Then left the radio
But
though.
this can see people through
phone
smoke.
gone.
Yeah, man, boy, you cook, man. What kind of gun do you have for you?
Remember the other again? I try to remember, you know.
I mean, I try to remember. You don't know what kind of gun to check out the army.
Oh yeah, me love when I pistol.
Because if I make a report of
You
what
know
if
more
them take the gun off you.
now.
Yeah, you know when I pistol.
More
I
start
pistol at
practice
M4. I think I M4.
jumping.
Is that right
while
for them to take off you?
Mm-hmm.
I think it,
So where did you
it
rifle?
helps dodge
You know,
bullets.
say, I wonder if I never rifle, I'm supposed to get.
Yeah, training a pistol I use, man. You know you drive for training.
Yes, I saw that.
Oh boy, rifle at the man have out on the street right now. Oh, next officer, them check you. What do you even know?
I think him head pop out.
But that's so in
Med
there.
pop.
That's on
Yeah.
attack.
Probably a fall back.
In time somebody says that a female game problem.
Hey, that's in time. Like, yeah,
I need to
I
go
got
to station
headache.
and repair the vehicle. Vehicle, boy, I'm shoot up my tire them.
Let's see.
But me know how them boy do the gun them in the army, brother. The recoil for the rifle them, brother. We start speed trigger up, now you the gun reach.
Jesus. Yeah, you have a shooting range.
Yeah, we have a range. Don't have PD.
Yeah, we need to practice. But you know,
But
say, I think I kind of remember what I'm not got. You know, say I drop out of the vehicle.
That's crazy.
You drop out the blows. Or you drop out the vehicle.
Cause them run up a vehicle now.
I'm
so
not up the siren now, hold on.
Americans don't know how to walk up.
I'm broken, bro.
Remember now.
Wait, you drop out of the vehicle?
Yeah, man, cause they run up on me now. But two of them, I say, yo, stop right, stop. You know, I tell you, I could go somewhere, park up and then shoot. But apparently the vehicle still a move. So as my drop, so I did that for me. Not even could I get up.
Wait, you step out of the vehicle while the vehicle drive.
I think the vehicle is stop. Man, I just see the vehicle move up and I just drop on the ground. I do shot that I get. I just remember now, that's how I feel so.
I see you think I was there last night, you crash fly. You're the first person you base your flight you with speed.
Okay. Dumbass.
That you would come like say.
Like many more car, man.
Like we can't get a car for drive.
Yeah. Come out for some bicycle or something.
No, I drifted.
You soon get a vehicle for drive, man. What you say?
I was trying to edit the stupid stuff.
Yeah, man, I'm not even
never
shy.
get
One minute, I'm
nowhere.
never get a
You
chance to
keep
shut the boy
going.
them, you know.
Jaja, you. But the car pull up and I try to
You
shoot the
went
man.
through the ground?
That's the vehicle get crazy for this.
Trying to fix this. We're going back a control. Control look like safe haven. Never mind. One man did it. Yeah, man, not nice. That's just do this. Oh wow. Jesus, somebody just stay alive also. Thank you so much.
I just see me in the circle. I'm gonna see him again. I forget.
My crowd. Yeah, I guess I'll
Yeah,
mash him up.
cause him never check in.
Oh, I know I check in. Fuck sad. I'm still in there, car. I
Nah,
see
no.
disappear. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna see
Broke
you.
him.
Yeah, go and call him.
There, get a pop.
Him did you out the circle, but I'm gonna see him again.
Yeah, like yes, I'll mash him up.
God is good indeed. I'm gonna land back over here, so.
No way.
Where's some pick up? I'm broke as hell.
I'm go station go change the vehicle. You know, and there's some go up man can't drive. When I tell them shoot out.
Recon. Who did that?
I'm a circle by the station and wait for him. You have a Mercedes Benz that come here with follow code.
Alright.
Calm the fuck down, you animal!
Because it's a GLE or one of them.
Yeah, my seat man, it just passed me and gone. Oh, yeah, man, my seat, it just passed me and gone.
Yeah, that's an hour. Go, tata.
Yo, I can't believe I get shot, bro.
Okay, that is accurate. Okay.
So Mickey, why you never help me?
So, what? So Mickey, why me never help you?
Yeah. Where them tree wearing up
Oh,
and shot
dead
me?
so, and that same guy over there. No, we have to kill the guy there. The one guy there try control center.
Controller.
The one guy there try control center, bro. And he ain't even shit. Turn back effort. I'm teammate. No, them I pick him up back. Right. Miss it. What's that scavenger something do? What does that scavenger thing do? There's a guy on the roof. No. No, I'm not coming to use Star Room. They're unloading? He's really trying to finish me. Anyways.
In power bucket.
Perfect.
Like him a fraud. But we not hear from him.
Just got my lordy. Roof. He's sniping from the roof, basically.
See me, officer.
I'm hoping the Pounders will kill Liberty City
Man,
round that game tonight
wicked.
so I can vent some of my pent-up aggression.
So weird. Must. No man, me I hide. We can't do this. Mortar strike is crazy. I don't think the game will go so well at all. The game here, not nice.
Or drive out.
Right, let me disable this until I'm right now. Yeah, I'm so over it. Oh, child.
Close change.
Come on,
you get down. Monday episode is crazy.
I'm not coming here,
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob. Please buckle your seatbelts and take.
So, Mr. Chef, I want to go on upstairs.
Hey, you think I one of them?
I know one of them. I trade them.
Somebody the ground floor.
Well, I trade a week. I make up for the one in the car.
That's remember say. Be a gunshot.
What? So, why am I even know? I remember the body cam and see how it's for them.
Got what 4 of them selling them.
No, I'm gonna trade them.
I think 3 did dip on you with it. I think it chase on Pro Box.
Oh yeah, trade them. Did they which one did it? Different from the Pro Box.
Yeah, man.
I don't see so much of them.
Very unexpected.
We need to find out what kind of weapon them take off now. If them take off now, I power for that phone.
That was beyond.
Go out them and get them back real quick.
Beyond unexpected. Beyond. Me never. Nobody with that WBD before me mute you. You say it one time, I see you. Happy nice. Chop. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Well, oi. Chop. Alright, we'll cut this now. Well, go. Well, oi. We are oi, 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 oi. Me say.
Once in the ring up, just me,
Really,
on the location, I'm going to get on a vehicle impound, the one out there. You have anything in a vehicle out there?
Me eat all the cops at me anyway. Dead soon. Alright, when it loaded,
Are you for the radar?
Yeah, what is that?
No, may I say, if you don't have anything in the vehicle, one of that drive, I'm going to get it impound.
Oh, I mean, I have nothing. I don't have shit, fam.
Anyways,
I'm going to tell them to get back on the radar. If I don't spot him.
Myself, get back on the radio, yeah?
somebody named Game Support just texted me.
Game support? That's fake.
Yeah, as in text me in Warzone.
Okay, that's
That's weird.
yeah, that's fake.
I wanna know why am I try jump scare me? You must say me I'm bad man.
What? Just a bad man.
Yeah, I'm a bad man. You don't think I'm a bad man? I'm a bad man.
Hmm.
Why some of
Not
these
in my
bodies
eyes.
drop and die?
But the last time I did see
I
her win.
mean, not in your eyes. Kind of style is.
So I'm getting the last time I see her. Party down. Oh yeah. Remember that soca party there?
Okay.
Hmm?
Ready, Mr. Chamber.
Alright, let's. I hope that's centered now. Hope that's how I want it. Pray to God. Pray to God that is perfect. It was an all lobby thing. Oh. I never even noticed that. I thought somebody was texting me and I'm like, okay. Whoever this is texting me. It's okay, mother.
I will get
This
that.
thing, where's the vehicle set now?
I could never my kill shot
It was
this.
important. You have to get that on
If no say I block and delete if I get back on it. I my kill shot. Una unblock him. Yes. I was like, when me look on the account, me say a kill shot. You can get a quick second before me even check your account. You see them play too much. Them play too much. Oh nah.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your
125, walk 10
And that team forget. The one that did the rough guys. So I'm feeling okay. Everything alright. I could feel. Oh no, okay. Get a free kill. Are you still breathing? Do you still have air? Get a free kill. Answer us. We need signs of life. Dead Zone, type on the purple app. We need to know if you guys are okay.
Oh yeah.
Emotional. Emotional. The game that was quick. On the job. No man. What going with tonight games? We just come so as we land, see we are gone.
You coming a little for care.
No son. Yeah man. I guess a Tuesday night this crap man them come out cause what the hell? Neck Miss
Sexy officer.
Watch him gonna take some Snapchat.
What I do?
I'll buy it. What I buy that drive?
Snapchat.
Yo, come.
Yeah, I need I'll buy
Guess
it.
okay, man, them get black.
Yup,
Him get black and I suck him.
Ah, my father, yellow can come say that.
I don't know why them things say me is the one, you know. Me is not the one.
Jonathan.
Me is not the one to play with.
Oh, go on.
Don't come in here with your foolish games. I will fight
I said
you.
Jonathan.
Like, oh yeah, Sony.
What
I
happened?
will fight you.
When I'm going back and close.
Say,
I miss you, daddy.
What thing come now? Some
Did the guys take your weapons off
One
him?
I'll buy no. Think I can help him?
Even one of them when I look at the account a while ago, I said, what's your
Yeah, come
what kind of
here,
weapon?
come here.
What's a kill shot?
Oh yeah,
As I
that.
said,
You know, no respect.
say,
Come here.
What's that?
and
AR
the
and
black,
pistol?
Pay the Johnny PD.
is you already,
Yeah,
say, yeah. I saw
Don't worry
it,
about
just
that.
feels them play too much.
And about 2 vests.
I just play Instagram before
Them
Johnny
play
PD.
too much.
Alright,
That's a
so
banana job.
You
our
are
things
one.
here right now. Any pro box
How
style,
do
we
you
say we are
think? See,
pulling
I
them
Subs
buy
in
over.
that
the
car. Well, I'll
chat
buy
Any
that.
one of them.
for the heart me.
Copy.
Buy
Guys,
the
work on
percent for
leveling
them
up.
now.
Who's number one
Yeah.
team member? I need to check that.
I'm okay.
Watch out now.
Yeah,
Please
wait
buckle
for
your
him to
seatbelts and
text
take your
me,
key
you
fob.
see.
Run a red light
Do
in the
something that
downtown area.
do something
I'll
hard.
pull
I
it
mean,
over.
I
So
get it
a
yet.
Can
Yeah.
I
white
suck your mother
SUV.
that ever is it? Yes, I am. I
Yeah.
am locked in. I am locked in. I am jumping.
Please buckle your
Gotcha.
seatbelts and take your key fob.
3 man already there.
No, all the officer are there.
No. I must see. Jump.
My game lagged so hard just
What's up?
now. That's
Afternoon, sir.
crazy.
Afternoon.
Are you a driver the white SUV a while ago?
Down that bitch.
I mean, just put it over there and come collect a ticket for any red light.
Red light officer.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, ticket me, man.
Zimbo is number one team member. Let's
No,
go.
no, I have to take out the vehicle so I can run the plate.
Tesha, man, just run the plate, man, Tesha.
Conquering.
Watch him go park.
Welcome back, Shaq. Ooh. Oh. Oh. No, the mortar strike almost killed me, dog. I'm not scared. Me a fight, man.
Oh, I'm running the plate.
Yeah, get beat and get a free kill.
Alright, 150.
Oh!
5191 AE.
In the hell, man.
5191 AE.
I still get the kill though. Don't die, guys. Broken, that is it. I saw that live. I'm a proud mother.
When?
Me land back for my body.
Which officer gave ticket?
One man land in for you.
That's a bit number.
I'm me, man. Nigel. I'm me.
Hey, police boy.
5191 AE.
Him take a driver's license and in the gate. What?
So I don't come up with no vehicle matching. 5191 AE.
School.
The driver have left the ticket.
Yeah. I think so.
You see it?
Hold on.
Huh?
On the plate?
Right, I see nothing. No. You sure it's a 5191 AE?
You wanna hear me?
Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, you hear me?
Not even like a ping.
What come back to the plate?
No, I'm not. I wonder for the right thing. It's a 5191 AE.
Make sure space between the letters and the numbers.
Okay.
Time feel away, you know.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
Newbie!
Come out
Thank you
as
for the yummy donuts.
wow, bolo.
Yeah, come
Stolen
back to a
code
Tesha, me that.
Wait, so when it red, the red something that means that the thing them on it. Bolo.
Somebody else
stolen.
is there, yeah.
The right things. I think this is when the right thing means
When
that.
I reload the slow though.
Then say come back to Tesha, me that.
Broken downstairs. That is it.
Bowler, stone and code 5.
Once it's in already, it means it good. If it then agree, if there was a bowler out for the vehicle, the bowler would have then agreed.
Vehicle come back. Vehicle come back to a Tesha, me that.
I copy that. Let me check the
When I see that the man there we are talking, you know. On board. Hey Shaq, check it, okay.
So me give me have a gift for you.
What kind of gift?
How about it, man? So tell them.
I saw your cash out. Try it and tell you. Alright, I will. Ooh.
And I think that register, you
What?
Yeah,
No,
it
disappear for no one ago?
Yeah, man, come get look what time I for carry it down.
No, a while ago it disappeared for me, but it come back out. It come back. I don't know how I got down a while ago.
No, sir, no bother with that, man.
UAV, oh?
Come on.
Oh, wait. Oh, see it then now. Man, just scoop. That is the scoopiest scoop me ever see. Man, scoop and go away. No man, no over here, sir. So I one man, yes, sir. Two man army.
I feel like running, skipping. Praise the Lord for what He has done for me. He has set my spirit free. I feel like running, skipping. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Yes, I need to go to church this Sunday. Yeah, man. That's off, man.
Your squad is being marked.
But 35,000 whole heap, you know. Almost, sir.
All them shot them is so lame. Self-revive.
Yo, Elder.
Don't die, guys. I was really trying something.
Oh, God.
His teammate was pushing on the ground, and then the next guy was scoping.
Oh, no, man. Yes, yeah. You get the bakery, my dog. Tutti fruity, plantain tart, gizzard. You get coconut drops, blue
The buy
jars.
sale, you know, I'm buy some stuff for a while ago.
Jai, you take off your drop.
So, I'm going to sniff one pink
Buy
panty
sale
one.
like one. Yeah, the grey out one the way I have the dead one. The grey out one.
A big batty woman there. Wow, what? Yeah, man.
I load up, me I go for some. I that me I tell her say load out disappear for me, yo.
Yes.
When me say it to everybody was like, what you talk about it disappear. Man over here, so.
I make him go and go thump up that. So I mean, I say my buy her Benz
And team.
even know say that could simple man.
And them I get third party. Them I get third party. You know, say the man over there use bore and wire, bore and warrow, bore and arrow.
Ah, my boy. You know, say
Bore, yeah, me bore and warrow.
Good to see.
Yeah, no boy, daddy. No boy, daddy.
I wonder.
Your woman, I think Jaim there right
No,
now. Jaim have a 13
son.
inch strap on a dig out your woman belly.
I mean, no more I say, you know, that's why I'm looking at you. Come here and say, bore and fucking arrow.
Big boss, you know good.
Yeah, man, what going on?
Oh.
Man, Mr. Check up on, you know. Chef, big boss, a good chef.
Can't believe my money
Yo,
left
go
over
over
there.
there,
Some
sir.
more money. Me I go back with money.
Buckler, your dog, something for go
What
over
go
Me
there.
back
no
with
want no
money?
man talk to me. Go over there,
Give
sir.
me my money.
Alright, watch out.
Eh?
Alright, boss, no say 40. Excuse the vehicle, let me take out my vehicle, please.
Okay,
Thank you
okay,
very
okay.
Hey, boy, don't go around gonna charge you. No man,
Bye,
friends,
my one
no
pop.
man.
Police here, man.
Them friends you fuck with and I jump you and that woman.
Now which one?
Get them where?
Watch him
Watch
out,
out!
yeah?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
So let me have my own. Now what is?
Man.
Alright.
I guess me only know for buy back.
What is that?
What is?
Back on, man.
Yeah, via this man, cause the man lick me down with the van and feel like say, hey, but it's
Yeah.
not gonna
Oh,
send them
wait!
back.
Don't worry yourself.
Oh!
Wait, him
I'm dash
injured?
game.
I forgot to
dash
take him
game,
in
man,
and
buddy.
I'm injured, man. You want to take
No,
him?
no, no, no.
You're good? Ah, okay.
God.
Let's check if you're good.
I'm.
And that one there,
Well, let me
take
get some
out.
money. Let me get some money. No. Me never know. Say them dead. Why you never tell me? I'm putting me by.
I know that. One of their road
Watch
right
it there, I wanna watch it there, watch it there.
With their yard,
I was scared.
word sticky.
Who don't put a ball out, you know?
I was
Who
scared.
don't tell me say,
The one
I'm
where you
buying
have.
for buy back somebody?
Hey, come here,
Yeah,
come
move a
here.
piece of junk. You move over to charge it?
Officer.
Lucky doing the money.
Phone,
Phone,
give him
no money.
phone number,
doing no.
give him phone number.
Grab a fine. Grab a fine seed bag, man. Watch it, man.
Doesn't see
Fuck.
bag.
Yeah, boy, now. Hey, boy, now. Criminal now.
I'm so sorry. And why does my load out gun come in the
Yeah, the dog didn't go with the phone too.
Cause that's
No,
why
I can't give back a phone. No.
Yeah, we need a phone.
That is the reason why I was there.
Yo, one in a glove box.
Alright, so that again.
Mr. Chambers, if you want, you can check the last incident I'm just create. You can see an example of it, a traffic ticket.
Okay, 10-4.
The traffic tickets are also done under incidents.
Yeah, that not, you know this, probably I know. What they gonna be, me no know.
Copy that. Copy that,
But you
copy
might
that.
not pick up, get up. Oh.
Okay, so I did just create a new incident, and then where it's a criminals involved, add the person name, where I give ticket. And then once I add them name, they go populate the information to the right, which will like warrant, guilty, process, all of that. So same place which way they add the charges them, you just go to that same section there and search for the infraction them what involve. So they can say the one who say failure to obey traffic control device that are basically running a red light, running a stop sign, stuff like that. And the unlicensed operation of the vehicle in vehicle and register.
Which gun this just in?
Wait, you said the charge is there again?
So you see to the right where it show like warrant, guilty, process. You see that?
Oh my gun. Mr. Gun
You can talk.
Let's call
Why the in a menu? Yeah, right here.
Okay, me there, right side, me there na incidents, but me not see that. Oh, you just said.
You did an incident?
Yeah.
You're up on the one I just created with Tasha Miller was running red light.
Yeah, man.
So over to the right. Yeah, see where it show Tasha Miller name and that show like warrant, guilty, process and everything in a red. The right.
Oh, me not see no. Yeah.
proudly say
So below that, you see where that show the charges and what other say unlicensed operation of a vehicle failure to obey.
Yeah.
So you see in a blue section there, if you right click in it, you see where it's a modify charges. And that's all you actually gonna see all the charges them where you can add. When you do a report.
Okay.
I know what I look like to you, you know.
So
Search for them name.
So once you do all of this, it go back to him as a fine.
So once you do this, if you go up on profile and search him name, the charges are gonna be on their name.
Okay. And it's up
And
to him
once
to pay them.
No, you have to find him. So once you add, alright, you see, add them 2 charges here. The charges them already have the
my
fines
life
and
flashed
the jail
before my
time to them.
eyes.
So once you add them, below that you see where it's a recommended fine. Right?
Oh, are you that?
So it's a recommended fine, I show 35,000.
Oh, Jesus.
So once you add the charges them,
Gosh.
it's gonna just calculate everything and show you the recommended fine.
Oi.
So what you have to do as the officer
My life.
is put the 35,000 in this section as a fine. And if you
Me
scroll
not
down,
do
you see where it get the option to click on fine. But don't do that because we charge me already.
Okay. That will automatically find him.
Yeah, so once you click on fine, it will pull it from the bank
My
account.
life, man.
But you
Interesting.
have to add it
Guys, remember to tap
where
on
it's a
screen while
fine.
you're here. Taps are very free. Remember to subscribe, drop a gift if you can. We're trying to get to 74 subscribers, courtesy of TikTok.
Shop
So
Robert
let's
East
do
Kingston.
one for
Shop
team,
Robert East Kingston.
you know.
What chef? The chef in name it?
Chef.
Who that will laser gun? How kind of informer gun that?
Yeah, forward the mic. Forward the mic. In there.
I haven't been here for the past
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
second time I've been live.
Please buckle your seatbelts and take your key fob.
The
Please
gas
buckle
station
your
over Mere
seatbelts
Park.
and
Gas station over Mere Park.
I want to just land. We just land something, guys.
Ready now, you know, my boy.
Yeah, man.
That's the same pro box.
But girl, I did that one over there, tree.
Careful, man. Check the ear. Check the ear.
Yeah, check the air first. There, don't come out.
No, I'm not. But make sure
Remove your seatbelt from now, though.
Eye on the door. Keep an eye on the front door.
Yeah,
please
go
buckle your
back at the door,
seatbelts
bro.
and take your key fob.
starting New Year's. No, starting
Please
Christmas,
buckle your
actually.
seatbelts and take your
Once
key
that I
fob.
get out of your vehicle.
Two vehicles there, and one from the pump and one there in front of the door.
Somebody drove in here?
Don't stay too stationary now, man. You get shot.
That's very weird.
You see anybody inside the store?
I'm gonna see nobody.
Negative.
How?
I'm probably at the box. I check them general here.
Loadout gun.
Oh, wow.
Oh, am
Shots fired, shots fired.
On the roof, on the roof. On the roof.
The store roof?
Yeah, Salon, right over there. Wanna shoot from our next building, across the road, red building.
Alright, me gone pan loadout.
I think we drop one. Well, now I'm still a move. Shoot him one time.
Take cover, take cover, take cover.
I'm already up on
I'm still up on red roof, right?
You can take cover.
one man did up on loadout, but me
On the other electricals. Dog, why am I something now move? Dog, what the fuck?
Yeah, me I play it so.
Why am I stuck in that screen there? Go?
Somebody I try to kill me now.
So fuck up my game.
No good, no good.
So, yeah.
Chris, talk to me, you good?
Dead boy, dead.
Fuck, man.
Somebody come pick me up, yeah, cause somebody kill you.
What chambers it?
Probably Chambers get hit, I don't know.
Bomba!
Pistol head, nah, where it goes.
I didn't see him guy in a COVID.
Time for the boy that
come pick we up. Pick up, get a free kill. Never mind. Yo, they are back off with life, you know. One sec. finish him. Yeah, bro. Dead off a dead dog. What is? Now with them something I may pick up. Guys, if I pick up something, just tell me how. So they are trying to say, you know.
What is it?
Me I look for broken. What? The one that was a solid. Him have a laser, bro. Run. The one that panic your friends. No, sir. I'm have money. I just pick up some enough money. I'm gonna buy some UAV. Me see him. That is it. I just buy UAV. I need money now, I'm broke. Me's a broke girl. Wait, the title say me can breed you? Wow. I don't know. What does the title say? Nobody not really over here, so I'm pressing them. Oh? They don't say. Yeah. I see none. Oh Lord! Oh Lord, man, I try to take off my head. Yeah, 2 man there, prisoner 3. Him crack. UAV only show 2. But me don't know who can hide from UAV. Man, I jump home. Me too. What's the gun? Above me. I'm trying to see above me. Mortar strike. How me shoot the?
Bro.
How me shoot this?
The red is calling.
How me shoot this something? The drone, the bomb drone. Don't laugh, just answer the question. No, I took it out, but I needed to like.
No. Wait till him stop. Wait till him say.
Yeah. I think he's not.
Bumbo clad!
North Mortar strike. Are we? My bro. Right there, sir.
One love.
Pussy, you don't know about bumbo clap badness, boy. You know about badness? Make sure I tell you all my name, I hear that. I don't know about bumbo clap badness. We run, boy, yeah. Fuck a fool.
Hold on, just text it now, fam. You can't come out.
We run, boy, this, you know about, no, boy.
Broken.
How we have?
Roof.
Have AR-15.
Yeah, man. Take them off him, man.
Eh?
Try the CPR, bro. Stay with me, sir. Stay with me. Get up. Get up.
Him jump through
Get
the
up,
fence.
Pusso. Get up.
Him life pay.
6 o'clock. Get up, Pusso. Get up.
You take long in one.
No whole heap of things the man have, man.
So if we can make man take to now one, yeah, Musa.
Sorry. Me never.
No, just make him take every single thing, bro. I'm moving out time for VSS, sir.
Alright, do that.
Take everything and move, bro. Not time for VSS, sir.
Hey, boy. I know what badness you would.
Hey, boy, don't pass the place. No, you
easy up. Off and puff like
I don't even get stuck, bro. I get stuck in the friggin' menu, and my character stand up one place. And the man let me get to shoot me, bro.
I'm a tweezer. I keep my tweez out. I'm a tweez out.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
Watch this, man. I'm in blood clot Viagra. I'm in Viagra. I'm fresh.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
Hey, boy, rookie, you know, say you don't shoot Johnny PD. You should have Johnny PD, yeah? Look how your blood clot higher up dead off here. Not a DSP stinger.
No boss, soft like a pirate gunshot. Take him in, go up in the sir.
Can't drive.
Soft man.
Bro, you can't
don't
drive.
play area, you don't play.
Bro, the pan like sitting there, bro.
I see me come out in that suit, just know it's everything dead.
Why you wanna do two blood clot button? Why I use the next one, though? Why you beat it?
Fast.
Come in.
Far, pro-box.
Oh, no. Ready?
Killer. Assist you again.
Hey, girl, you know see man a bomb clock.
Assist you again.
Come to the girl, man. You know see man a badness. You say you walk through, girl.
Down, but up, curve. Assist, assassin. Oh, that be a bad score we get. That be a bad thing we get. Be a badness. Alright,
That's a man there.
Let me edit the loadout to what you say now. Edit the
I'm gonna see now.
And then me change the loadout to what Jesse say.
Why is this person playing mobile? What? Oh, them connect them controller to them mobile phone.
Man, them take all the mobile phone, brother. Joke thing.
You say mini? What name? The FSS Spectic. Oh, I find it. Alright. Hold on, let me edit one loadout real quick. Stock. Light.
Bro, my man never stop. Could I drop one of them no, bro?
Light stock.
Something just stuck, like, you know, the friggin' inventory, bro. I could have taken it off my screen.
Key grip. have that unlock, sir. Muscle, Jack baby. Alright, me have to stop before you load out, sir, because me not have half a way. I tell me put on. Jesse, me not have half a way. I say, me not have. So me
Oh, I'm
stop. Me
PS5.
put my
Samki, why you run 2%?
Let me
Because
get some something there.
I'm not a long range. You want me to start practicing long range here?
So I can make the controller practice.
When I master medium and close range, I feel like I can move on. That's how I approach some games.
So we can make the controller practice.
So that again, that's one.
SMGs are aggressive players.
Go my fuck.
Oh well, that's kind of my gameplay in every game. I'm very aggressive,
Realize.
but even if me I got dead, I mean that I push. Sometimes I push foolishly, but I just that's my gameplay overall in every game. So that's why I always have close range gun. Me I know nobody with me I know somebody with sit down, fire roof, snipe. Me find that boring.
Yeah, you have an eyeglass, right?
I find that very boring. That's why when me see them
Yo.
sit down and me say we find 3 man in a
Yeah,
bathroom.
you have an eyeglass?
3 man in a bathroom, you know. I wait pound for run go
Yep.
in there.
I'm like in
Right, so.
AFK.
Hey, looking forward to seeing you
And
on
you
set,
know what
buddy.
them do? Them termite we when you open the door, and then the next guy kill we.
Yeah.
You never put no quick shotgun.
You have an eyeglass?
Yeah, you hear me?
Shotgun, yeah.
Yeah, myself, you have an eyeglass?
I mean, I talk
I
to
don't think so.
Kristen.
Yeah,
Huh?
me there talk to you a while ago. I said we have make quick practice.
No, you have eyes.
Say
That
what?
I mean, you have eyes.
Shawty.
Oh yeah.
Shawty.
Alright.
Remember me, I use in-game shot.
But
So.
you can't see nothing. So I can't do it.
What's up, Shawty?
Yeah, you hear me?
Shawty. My gun level they are 18, but I guess me have to go try up unlock.
I say you
first,
can do it. Yeah, you can do it.
Me have to like this man who account max out.
Yeah, so you can hear me?
Me not play Warzone either. Me a hear you, man, Kristen.
Now make we practice controller.
Now make we get what?
Practice controller.
Tell you how this a treat me.
Controller, like.
Me not even have it. But yes, they grind the game hard. Me make they do it, yes.
Oh, I'm not fan of this
I
song
mean, I make
though.
Mills finish it. Cause him did start grind my account for unlock the gun them. Unlock the stuff he gun them. Bumba. The man got through the window and me did I go, oh!
I don't see it, bro. Game got walk on, bro. Yeah, they play some COD. 2-2-1. Yeah. 78. 65.
Oh, nice. Mm. Inside, chop up the place, chop up. She said,
Chef, I'm so far now. Take a little break. Find out why there's something I like, bro.
any box.
My computer I like.
That sounds vague for somebody who doesn't know how to play COD. Jesus, sight bomb like idiot boy, all that.
I lose on frames. I lose frames, bro.
Bomba.
I lose frames. I don't know
Oh
why.
my god, that was tough. That was tough.
Oh boy.
That was tough. What? So go on, no, see anybody else scope? I'm come my head. Say, I'm excited. I real life first. I'm excited. I real life first. Ain't no mercy. Thanks for the follow. That's crazy, bro. But I'm excited. I real life first. That was crazy. I'm excited. I real life first to order one there. No man, what's up?
Yeah, something blanco, bro.
Need. You know. Where him go? Oh my god! I told him. Three of them are two of them. Yes, I go. Yup. I go collect the free things, yes, sir.
Oh,
Look
what
what the
now?
load out there. I want to buy a load out. So not really crazy. Me nah look pan on no. Brother,
You start this TikTok thing, bro.
when me land and see a two load out, me I say watch ya. Hey man, me a lot me eh. Watch get a free kill of floating. Get a free kill is not here.
Oh boy, this is not working
You
out.
can get it how to. Alright. Mm. Oh God.
Where we go?
Why you snipe me, idiot boy? Oh. You lame. What you might try and kill me from behind? You're naked. I have Get a free kill. Why you just be careful laugh. Get a free kill come. Watching yourself. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Stay alive. We cannot escape. We cannot. Come on. Peep again is crazy. My head would have steering. Get a free kill. Brother. I hope him dead. See him there again. Red Riding Hood. Don't die. Don't die. Do not die. Oh no, no, dead.
Something
Yeah, how
now
much
work,
me
bro.
there? Me dead. So me soon. Oh, seconds. May I say why this a take so long for come back? We a drive off. Me never
The
even
five.
drive in a Call of Duty. Oh God. You know enough me know. When me look over here and tell you who over here. Two man over here. See them a fight. I give up. Me I give up there now. Only pa man in that house here. See there? See there? Yeah. We gonna some call outs. Like, I never even know Sebastian if I go on. To home long me dead. Watch get a free kill and drift. Hey yo, that name well. No sir.
No, wait now work.
Me not like the angle in
I'm a
the
game a
round
bug.
here. Me I change angle guys.
There's a sign, yeah, man. Hold on there.
Oh my gosh. Bro, how dog? Oh, he was plating while running. He's very fortunate. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Murder. What a thing. He's very quiet. That's all. Are you okay? Is everything okay over there? I mean, I think that zone is okay. Now what is? What are these? Oh God. Me salty. Somebody come pick me up. Get a free kill. God bless your soul.
On a sign now work.
Boy. Somebody come pick me up again.
Could I play GTA I go, bro?
Me
But my game
behind
a
a
bug out.
crate.
Like, nah, work out well.
Watch him. I try termite we.
But why this?
Me nah no plate. Me nah nothing. If we get one lick of that, I eat that.
Mm-mm.
I say, I might try get we out, but bread I man drop shot me.
This is something.
Hey Benito. No mercy. We have a full squad right now, but don't worry, you can join us some other time for sure.